Hey guys, it's Heather. So a little bit ago, I posted this video of where I get a bunch of Gashapons in Tokyo. We are finally doing the video where I open all of them. I just have them all in a bag like this. This is the bag I think I got at Sanrio Pearland. So, I mean, I've been waiting a really long time to open these. I think I got back from Japan like a month ago or so. I don't really even remember what I got. Alrighty, here's the first Gashapon. They have like tape all over them. Ooh. Oh, okay. So let me show you the options. These are the options of what we can get. Obviously, I think this one might be what you want. Oh, we got this guy. Cute. Should I take him out of the packaging? Obvi. Oh, there we go. He's so cute. That's what he looks like. Alrighty, first Gashapon. Let's keep going. We're just picking random ones at this point. Oh, okay. It's gonna be a cinema roll, obvi. More tape. Oh my god, this one is so cute. Does it have the options again? Okay. So here are the options. Let's see what we got. Okay, this is really cute. Oh, this one is this one. We got this one. The ears are a little bit thin, but otherwise it's pretty cute. Alrighty, another Gashapon down. What do I even do with all these containers? Anyway. One more. Wow. I can kind of see what it is. These are actually like really fun. Low-key a little bit addicting to open. Let's look at the options. Okay. It's pretty clear which one we got. We got this guy. I really keep wanting this guy, but we never get him. I think he's like a peach or something like that. Okay. He's a little bit memey, but I kind of like that. Once again, the arms are a little bit flimsy. I wish they were slightly a little bit better quality, but it's all chill. He's cute. Little mushroom guy. Alrighty. We still have like a few to go through. I don't know if that's like you guys can see in the bag or anything. We got a small one this time. It's pretty small compared to the other ones. I can't even open it. What the heck? I think we finally got it. Wow. Okay. Oh, I forgot about this one. Oh no! It doesn't have like the little options. Bummer. What we got? I believe this little guy is from the Urusei Yatsura anime. It's an older anime. Oh, it comes in like two parts. First we got the little guy. I really wish I got the girl, but we got the little guy anyway. But he's still cute. That's what he looks like. And then you can put him on his little... Oh no. He's okay. He's okay, guys. He's okay. Anyway, he can sit on like the little thing like that. Oh, it's kind of cute. I'm kind of about it. Alrighty. Next up. Okay, it looks like Kuromi cinema roll themed. I have no idea where I got these, by the way. I just collected them over time. Oh, interesting. So you might, I think you're supposed to get like a big bracelet or something like this. And these are like the little charms for it. I got this Kuromi charm. I don't really, I guess I could just put it on like another thing and just hang it off with something because I don't really have a bracelet. But yeah, we got the strawberry one. We're still going, guys. There's still a few in there. Ooh. Alrighty. Ooh. Yeah, they're so hard to open sometimes. Oh! I hope it shows us the options. It does, but this one it's in black and white. Here are the options. Oh! So cute! Look at that. Aww. Which one is it? Is it this one? Oh. Oh no, it's this raincoat one. It's hem in color. So cute. Little rain jacket guy. I like it. Alright. And the journey continues. This one's a big boy. Looks like it's a new Sanrio theme. Okay. Alright, let's show you guys the options for this one. So cute. Honestly, would be happy with any of them. Oh, we got the little cherry. This little cherry one. It's kind of cool because I have like this little chromey thing that kind of looks like it, and I'm gonna put it next to it. But yeah, look how cute it is. Let me show you my chromey thing that I'm talking about. I have like this little chromey thing, and they kind of match, so that's gonna be cute. We got a couple more, guys. Next one. This one's dark. You can't see inside of it yet. Maybe I should have preemptively took off the tape. Oh, we got basically a plastic version of this. How interesting. I don't know why I really wanted to get these little dudes, but I did. And now we have another little mushroom guy. This one, the color of this one's a little bit weirder. Let me show you guys the options. I should have shown you first. See, I just want this guy so bad, but we keep getting this guy. He looks kind of scary, but like derpy, you know? Lost my bag there for a sec. Here, let's just grab, we have 3 more. Let's just continue opening them. Okay, so here's the options. I like it better when they give me the options in like color, but you know, ink's expensive. Oh, he's got some weight to him. We got this guy? Yeah, wait, no. We got this guy. He's kind of cute. I kind of like him. Alrighty, next victim. How many was that? I wasn't really even counting. I'm just having kind of a lot of fun opening these because, you know, ever since I got them, I've been wondering what I got. Alrighty. So here's the options. Oh, I got a Kirby one. Here's the options. Some of them are sealed where you have to open it, but some of them just like slide right out. I like the ones that slide. We got this guy. I was really hoping we got a Kirby at least, but this guy's cute too. Maybe he is a Kirby, I shouldn't say that. I was hoping we'd get like a recognizable Kirby, but yeah, still cute. This is the last one. We finally got to the last one, guys. Crazy. Makes me kind of sad that I don't have more to open. It's almost unreal that this is it. Until next time, guys. Oh, where's the tape? Oh, just kidding. Alright. Oh my god, I can't believe this one's the last one. This one's kind of special to me because it's one of like my favorite animes from childhood. You don't get the options. Okay. We got Inuyasha. That's all that really matters. I'm sure there was Kagome and the other characters, but we got Inuyasha. This one's low-key the favorite thing that I got from everything, from all the Gashapons. But yeah, alrighty, that is pretty much it for this video. Just wanted to open the Gashapons that we got a little while ago together. I hope you guys had some fun. See you guys in the next video. Bye.